Good afternoon guys, I want to show you how to make a mug by using round corner by using Adobe Illustrator 2018. This episode is a chapter 3 for the round corner, and then I want to show you how to make a simple mug. Let's get started. Go to Adobe Illustrator 2018 and create, and then make it 961px 961px and create, and then go to the one, the rectangle tool, create this one there and make it color brown, and copy alt key, and then drag it to the center and make simple man, and then copy this one, put it to the bottom, and then zoom in and make it this smaller. Yeah, that's good. And then this one, the dots, you see the dots, and make shift and drag and make it good, and then put it there and adjust, and this and the button, and this one shift and drag, good. And then this one, make it smaller, this one. And then you can see the, make it zoom and to see your the dots, shift and then drag it to something like that. Very good. Adjust and make it put in the bottom. Very good. And let's see, and then over there make it okay. Very good. So good. And then put it to the center. Go to the highlight is all object and align and then center. Good. Very good. And then make it okay. And then how to make a handle of the mug. Uh, put it down and then go to, and then copy and then twist. Yes, twist. That's very good. And then hold shift and then to the dots, and then make it drag it around, and then adjust, kind of adjust, and then make it adjust simple, make it small. That's good. And then copy and then put it down and make it smaller, and then put it, and then make it little adjustments, and the dots make it closest to the, that's better. And then go to the rectangle tool and then put it there to the, and then the selection tool and select this all and go to object, expand, and okay. And then if you got the selection of your pattern, you go to the pathfinder, divide, and then ungroup. Okay, and then select it and delete. Okay, and then also delete, and then highlight and make it group, and go to the handle. Okay, see, you put in a handle and make it group, and go to the pen tool and make it the, that's better, and then go to selection tool and twist it, yeah, over there to feel twisted, and then selection tool, put into your object, then make it the width profile 5, and then make it the stroke is 18. Good, and then let's be your object perfect S. That's good. That's one. Good. Good. Very good. And then copy this one. Copy. Go to selection tool, and then Alt. Copy and make it smaller. Smaller. Make it smaller. Yeah, very good. And then go to this one, and then also copied, go there, right click, transform, reflect, and OK. Go to the selection tool and then drag it to, yes, and this one drag it to upper right. It's better. Make it good. Put it down there. That's better. Group. Okay. Okay, to the center. And then make it, go to the type tool and make it the name Goody. Goody. Sample M, big letter M, and then go to the selection tool, make it 80%, EX, and go to the mug, and then drag it to, and then make it some M. And then also copy and put up here, and go to brown, and then type tool by using type tool, and G. Put it there, make it 80%, 80%, and then go to the type tool and make it logo. Go to selection tool and go to Arial, narrow, and then make it color. Go to the eyedropper tool and select it. Okay, very good. And simple logo, group, object, group, and go with there, and then group this one, and then center it. Go to center. It's nice. Minimize, make it logo simple and perfect to your sample logo. Right, this is your mug, and how to make perfectly logo to your project. Hope you like it. Subscribe, like, and notification to your every chapter that I make, and learn how with the next tomorrow my next chapter for to make the uh, invert round corner, a simple invert round corner to make how to construct and how to define to make a perfect logo to your project. Hope, thank you, and thanks for watching. God bless.